Hello students, now in this video we will learn how to solve this complicated question within minutes. See students, here in this question we have three terms. When we ever have here plus sign or this plus sign, right, or this minus sign, actually this plus and minus, they are breaking this question into trinomial, right? So here we have a first part, this is our second part, and this one is third part, right? So let's solve the part wise. So here we have 3a divided by a minus 2 now. So though we have a division sign, so our rule says 3a divide, we will take 1a common, right? Here we have a power 1 and divide means minus. You people know that, okay? And a to the power minus 2. So we will take in the bracket minus 2. Right? We have solved the first term. Now we have plus sign and then a, we will take a common, though it's a multiplication sign, so we will plus there. Here we have a power 1, right? There in the first term we had a power 1, so that's why we add here 3a1 minus bracket minus 2, right? We add here. So now 2 plus sign and 1. Now we have solved the second term. Now third term. Now student, third term that we have, that we need to first, that this is in fraction, right? So first of all, when we simplify the numbers, it gives you 3 because 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6, right? So denominator, we have we have not a base in a denominator. We have only a power a to the power minus 4, right? So we will take a minus 1. This minus 4 will go up. So when it will go up, turned into positive, right? Now let's solve the exponents. 3a 1 plus 2 plus sign a 3 minus 3a, and this is 3. Okay, so this one, it gives you 3. Now solve them. 3, all the powers are same, right? And you know that in algebra, when they are like terms, we add and subtract. So here we have a coefficient 1. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4a3. Okay, the answer here is the a3 will be common in all three terms. So we will take a3, right? So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1aq. Let me write the 1 here, okay? So the answer is a cube only. Understood, students? So easy question now. If you will see the question, it looks so complicated, but when we solved it, as we know all the properties of indices, so we can easily solve this question, right? Okay, now the second part. When you will see the second part in the book, this is also very easy, right? We have 5p to the power the whole cube, then minus 10p into 7p square plus 6 minus 3 here. Okay, I'm solving this part. Okay, 5p to the power cube, then minus sign 10p times 7p square plus 6 over p minus 3. Right? Now, see, we have how many terms actually in this question? We have like first term, because center, it's a negative sign. Now we have second term here, and this one is third term. So we have three terms here, right? So when we're going to multiply this 5, so actually this cube is on 5 as well, 5 and p as well in both of them. So when we multiply by 5 three times, it gives you 125 and p to the power cube. Okay, I have solved the first term. Now minus sign here, 10 and 7 gives you 70, right? And p1 here and p2 there, p to the power square, then it's a multiplication sign. We add both of them. So it gives you 1 plus 2, it's 3. Right? Now a plus sign here. Now we're solving the third term and the last term. P minus 3 is negative. So how are we going to make it positive? Come on, students, tell me. Are we going to make it positive? We're going to bring this in the numerator. The sixth p to the power cube. And when we checked here, all the terms have p3, p3, p3. It's so easy to solve that this is a similar question to the previous one. So we will take like 125 minus 70, right? And then plus 6 p3. So first of all we take p3 because it all has same p3. And when we solve this answer, it gives you 61 p3, right? So this is answer. This is so easy. Okay, now the next question is question number 15. Question number 15, the question says, simplify each of the following expressing your answer in positive index form. Again, it's the same kind of a question that you need to convert it into a positive. The pen here. This one, the question number 15. Right? So in this question, the question is in the square root form. I'm solving the A1. This is cube root. Inside the cube root, we have a square times another, we have 6 root a. Okay. Now, as we know that whenever we have a cube root or a square root, the radical value, it depends upon what's the value is giving to you. But right now, the cube root value is equals to 1 over 3, right? You people know that. And here 6 and 6 root, it gives you the value 1 over 6, right? So can just remove the square, so cube root and that 6th root. So how are you going to remove it? As we know that the power, it's 1 over cube. Its value is 1 over 3. And here we have 1 over 6. Now, students, when we multiply this 2 with this 1, it gives you 2 or 3. You know? And we are taking one a common. In between there is a multiplication sign, so plus sign. So a here is 1 over 6. We know that how to solve the rational numbers, right? So rational numbers bring the, let me write down a little bit back, okay? So here just bring the denominator same. So multiply by 2 here, multiply by 2 in the numerator. So when we multiply in the numerator, it gives you 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6. See, the denominators are same, right? So we will take 6 common and the 5. 5 over 6 is the answer. So easy, right? Okay. The B1 is also very easy. Okay. Now I'm solving the C part, right? C part. The question is C. It's 1 over 10 divided by C negative 1 over 5, then multiplication by C minus 3 over 2. Acha. Now students, this is also very easy. Now all the exponents are in a rational form, or you can say in a fractional form. Okay. So here all the variables we have seen. So we can take C common, 1 over 10 divided into minus, and we have another one is in the minus, so I'm putting it in the bracket, and though we have a plus sign here, and this one is minus 3 over 2. Did you understand this? Right? Multiply change into plus, divide change into minus, and all the powers giving like in the negative, I put them in the bracket. Okay. So C 1 over 10 minus minus plus 1 over 5. Now multiplying the sign, plus minus minus 3 over 2. Now bring all the denominators same. So we have 10 here, right? So we can make this 5 into 2. Here also 2 numerator. 2 into 5, there are also 5. Right? You people know this, right? See here, C and all the denominators are 10, 10. So I'm taking 10. So and add all of the first two fractions and minus with the next one. So 1 plus 2 ones are 2, right? 2 ones are 2 gives you 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 5 threes are 5 threes are, yeah, 5 threes are 15. Okay, so the answer is in negative. Okay, now when we simplify, it gives you 15. Okay, 15, and sorry, we have this 1 plus 3 also. Okay, 1 plus 3, this one. So 1 plus 3 here. Okay, so solve here. See, it gives you minus. Yes, come on, tell me. Minus 12 over, bigger number sign, okay, over 10. So see, simplify this by 2 times table. 2 6 are and 2 5s are, right? So answer here is minus 6 over 5. Now, this one that you need to bring it into positive, right? So we know that there is C over 1. When you convert this, it becomes 1 over C, and automatically powers convert it into a positive. This is the final answer, right? Okay, next question we have. Okay, I am doing the F1. F1 is little complicated, right? And F1 is little complicated, okay, because the powers in the negative, right? Exponent in the negative. How to convert this into a positive? And this one is the last question of question number 15. Okay. F1 is 81 x to the power 20, right? Over 16 x to the power 8 and y to the power also 8. And the whole bracket is minus 1 over 4. Very easy question, students. Very easy. As we know that we are going to open this power here. Okay, it's negative 1 over 4. So negative 1 over 4 is with the 81 x20 and 16 x to the power 8 and y8. When you can solve this in many ways, right? This we solve it like the whole term, when it will be reciprocal, and automatically the powers are changed. So if I'm going to convert this denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator, automatically the powers are converted into a positive. So if I'm taking here 81 1 minute. 16 will go up. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Let me take a pen here. 16, x8 and y8. Right. So the whole is positive. Now here 81, x20 and the whole is positive 1, 4. Right? What I have done, I have only reciprocal them because I want the power, the distribution of the exponent into a positive. Right? Okay. Then what we need to do, this is 16. Right? So 16 also has 1 over 4. Okay, so 16 has 1 over 4 now. So what I'm going to do here, that I'm going to take out the factors. So it is 4 here and it's 16. So it gives me, like, when we multiply 2 4 times, it gives you 16. So I'm taking this as a 2 and I'm writing in the index notation. So 2 to the power 4 here, multiply by 1 upon 4, right? x8 times 1 over 4. I'm distributing the power in all the terms. y8 multiplied by 1 over 4, right? Now numerator I have done. Now denominator. Now 81 is there in 4. So when we multiply 3 4 times, it gives you 81. So 3 to the power 4, 1 over 4, x to the power 20 multiplied by 1 over 4, right? Okay, then what we need to do here, now cancel the powers. 4 and 4 cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, I cancel all the numerators. So here we left with 2 to the power nothing, x to the power 2 only, and y also to the power 2, right? Now denominator 4 and 4 cancel. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. So here in the denominator we left 3 and x to the power 5, right? Okay, now 2 over 3, right? Now let's talk about the variables x square and x5 here. So if I'll take this x5 in the numerator, so the answer comes negative because 2 minus 5, answer comes minus 3. So rather than taking this x5 in the numerator, I'm bringing x square in the denominator because I want exponent in positive, right? And y square is already there. The numerator is already in a positive. So 2 over 3 y square and x to the power cube, right? And this is the final answer. Thank you, class. Thank you, students, that you people watch this video, right? Do practice, right? Okay, take care.